Welcome to Transform Your Home with Smart Technology Tricks, the ultimate place to revolutionize your living space with the latest and greatest in smart tech. Whether you're looking to make your home smarter, more efficient, or simply more fun, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow hacks and tips that can enhance your home experience. From setting up smart lighting to automating your security, each video is packed with practical solutions to help you get the most out of your tech. 1. Setting up smart lighting. A smart lighting system is one of the easiest ways to add convenience and ambience to your home. Start by choosing the right smart bulbs, which are compatible with your preferred system, whether it's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. After installation, you can control your lights through voice commands, your smartphone, or even set schedules. By adjusting light intensity, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any time of day or occasion. Moreover, smart bulbs can be linked to your home automation routines, allowing lights to adjust automatically when you wake up, come home, or when you go to bed. Smart lighting also saves energy by allowing you to turn off lights remotely or based on motion sensors. 2. Smart thermostats for energy efficiency. A smart thermostat not only helps you save money on energy bills, but also ensures your home is always at the perfect temperature. It learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature accordingly, keeping your home comfortable without wasting energy when you're away. The best models allow remote control via smartphone apps, meaning you can adjust the temperature on your way home or even when you're on vacation. Many devices also have energy reports, helping you track your consumption and make improvements. With integration into your smart home system, you can create custom schedules or use voice commands to control the temperature with ease. You can also set it to work with your smart lighting and other devices to create the perfect living environment. Plus, some thermostats can even adapt to seasonal changes automatically, further optimizing your home's energy usage. By customizing settings for specific times, like preheating or cooling, your smart thermostat ensures maximum comfort. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and tricks to make your life easier and more efficient. 3. Home security with smart cameras. Adding smart cameras to your home gives you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. These cameras connect to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor your property from anywhere using your smartphone. You can get alerts whenever motion is detected or access live footage anytime. Many smart cameras also offer two-way audio, so you can communicate with anyone on your property. Some even have advanced features like facial recognition or night vision. Pair them with doorbell cameras for a comprehensive security system that you can control and monitor remotely. 4. Smart plugs for instant control. Smart plugs are an affordable and simple way to add intelligence to everyday appliances. These plugs fit into your regular outlets and let you control anything plugged into them via an app or voice command. Use them to turn lamps, fans, or coffee makers on and off remotely, or set schedules to automate your devices. They're especially useful for controlling devices that don't have smart capabilities built in, such as older appliances. Additionally, you can monitor energy usage through the app, helping you track and reduce electricity consumption over time. Some models also offer timers, so you can set appliances to run only when needed, further enhancing energy savings. Many smart plugs now feature surge protection, keeping your devices safe from electrical spikes. They can even be paired with other smart devices, creating seamless automation for your entire home. With the convenience of voice control, you can turn on or off devices hands-free, making your home smarter without much effort. 5. Voice assistants for home automation. A voice assistant like Amazon Echo or Google Home acts as the hub of your smart home. With voice commands, you can control everything from lights to entertainment systems, locks, and even kitchen appliances. Integrating your voice assistant with other smart devices in your home enhances convenience, as you can manage everything without lifting a finger. Set routines that automate your home, such as having the lights dim, the temperature adjust, and your favorite music play as soon as you arrive home. Voice assistants can also help you with tasks like setting reminders, checking the weather, or even making calls. 6. Smart door locks for keyless entry. Traditional locks can be a hassle, but smart door locks offer keyless entry and enhanced security. You can lock and unlock your door remotely, which is perfect if you're away and need to grant access to someone. Many smart locks allow for temporary access codes that can be set for a specific time or event, eliminating the need to share physical keys. They also give you the ability to monitor who enters and exits your home. Some models even offer features like auto-locking, ensuring you never forget to lock up when you leave. 7. Automated vacuum cleaners. A robotic vacuum is a game changer in home cleaning. These devices automatically navigate your home, cleaning floors on a schedule you set. They are equipped with sensors to avoid obstacles and can even detect areas that need more attention. With smart capabilities, you can start, pause, or schedule cleanings remotely using an app. Some models can also be integrated with voice assistants, allowing you to control the vacuum with simple commands. By automating your floor cleaning, you'll save time and effort while maintaining a spotless home. 8. Smart appliances for convenience. From refrigerators that tell you when you're out of milk to washing machines that allow you to start a load from your phone, smart appliances make everyday tasks more convenient. These devices offer remote control features, energy efficiency, and enhanced performance. For example, smart ovens allow you to preheat from anywhere, while smart dishwashers provide updates on the cleaning cycle. Investing in smart appliances not only improves the functionality of your home, but also simplifies your life by giving you more control and flexibility. 9. Smart entertainment systems. Transform your living room into a home theater with a smart entertainment system. A smart TV paired with streaming devices lets you access all your favorite content with ease. Whether you're using Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime, you can enjoy high-quality streaming at the touch of a button. Integrating your system with smart speakers can enhance your sound experience, while voice control allows you to navigate menus and adjust settings hands-free. Plus, smart entertainment systems often offer seamless integration with other smart devices in your home, creating a unified and convenient environment. 10. Smart gardening solutions. For those who enjoy gardening but want to make it easier, smart gardening technology can help. Automated irrigation systems ensure your plants are watered at the right time, while smart plant sensors monitor the soil's moisture levels, temperature, and light. Some systems can even send you alerts if your plants need attention. Smart gardening solutions are great for maintaining both indoor and outdoor gardens, allowing you to keep your plants healthy without constant monitoring. These devices help optimize plant care, saving time and improving the health of your garden. Thank you for tuning in to transform your home with smart technology tricks. We hope these tips inspire you to make the most of the smart tech available for your home, turning it into a more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable space. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new hack or upgrade. Have any questions or ideas for future content? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay smart and keep transforming your home with the power of technology.